If you're willing to sell a game with $5 somewhere and $15 somewhere else, the real value is $5. You're just overcharging customers. So you guys are telling me that the price for the game in other countries is 2 euros. And let's say for Germany, or euro, this is the first one. So the price in EU is 14 euros. And the price in Russia, for example, is €2.94. And you guys are telling me that this is bad, the difference here between the two. Cakez, it is simple. In India, you pay 5. In Germany, you're 15. So one guy was saying the real value is 5. And you're scamming Germans. No, that's not true. Because in, like, so, guys. Okay, so maybe you don't understand how pricing works in the world, essentially. If you have a product and you pay, let's say in Germany, you pay 15 euros for that. And then in Russia, you pay 3 euros for that. They have a different inflation and a different amount of money that they need every month in order to survive. So they, first and foremost, they have a different currency than we have. So there needs to be currency conversion going on. And on top of that, they might need 100 euros. Let's just toss out a number to survive during a month. And that's how much they get from the government. If you pay 15 euros from those 100 euros for one game, that's essentially, if you extrapolate that to, let's say, 2,000 euros that you have in Germany, that's 20 times more they pay for the game than we pay. So that, like, even if this is 3 euros in Russia, they have less money in terms of euros available to them than we have. Okay? 2 euros for them is more money than 2 euros for us. And so that doesn't work. Doesn't work. So the value of the product is where you live and how much you earn. A percentage of that. It's normalized by the time spent to earn that money. Exactly. And so we earn more money in less time than they do in euros. So they have less price. They have a lower price than we have. And so it's not about, oh, if I pay 5 euros in India, then the game should be 5 euros for me here too. No, that's not how it works, because they have less money available to them. And so these reasonable prices, what you can take away from this, and this is the Stardew Valley example, if you want to make an indie game, and you want to know how to price your game, take a look at very successful games. For example, Stardew Valley. Take a look at the price history and the different prices for each time zone. And then just copy that. Because they will have maximized this for profit. Okay, and so let's say $2.95 in Russia is the price they came up with after fiddling around with different numbers and then figuring out, okay, so that's a good price for the game in that country. Dollar store, pirate software, what does that mean? Hopefully someone in Russia or India can gift everyone a Cakez game. You cannot gift if the price is different, I think. Yeah, you cannot gift games from different countries, yes, if the price is different for you. I wouldn't say that the single developer for Stardew Valley would have optimized his prices for revenue. The Stardew Valley creator is operating in a team now. He's no longer alone. He has earned enough money from his current game, Stardew Valley, to work on his next game, and he's working in a team. He's no longer working alone. And as a team, as a game developer, it is your job to maximize your profit too, so you can make more games. And then if you say that maybe Stardew Valley is something you don't trust too much because the Stardew Valley creator might be working on something else, then here's something, Animal Well, that is definitely optimized for profit. You can take a look at the price history for Animal Well, and you can tell that there's already a key difference. There's only 59% of the original price. Oh no, there's a minus 59% of the original price for Russia. And we can take a look at this and compare this with Stardew Valley. They had almost 80% less money. They charge 80% less. While over here we charge 60% less. So if you want to take a look at Animal Well, do that. Animal Well was published by Big Mode, which is a big YouTuber, Video Game Donkey, for those of you who know him. And they helped him optimize this. The game is sitting at 24 euros. And it's still selling a lot. It has 12,000 reviews at the moment. 13,000. It's crazy. Okay, so you can take these as an example for you.